Be sure to catch the next episode of Just Talking It Up on iTunes, Stitcher, your favorite podcast app, or on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.
Hey, you forgot our names.
No.
You did. You forgot our names.
Don't be silly. I'm Janet, your Crash, see?
She's just like a goose. She wakes up in a new world every day.
This is the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday, May 28th. I'm James Spann. Warm, dry weather continues around here. The really active weather across the nation's heartland for the next few days. Here's a look at some of the satellite shots. These were captured early this morning at the insane hour of 5 a.m. And hey, a little daylight. That's a sign we're getting close to the summer solstice. I believe this year it's on June 21st, just after midnight. The sky there in Gadsden is clear. That's looking east from the mountain, not too far from Nakalula Falls. There's our Demopolis sky cam in West Alabama. Evidence of a little daylight there. And way down south, that's our sky cam at Gulf Shores, overlooking the Hangout, Beach Boulevard. Again, weather down there looks great with sunny days, fair nights. Maybe a few isolated showers later this week or over the weekend, but no widespread rain anytime soon. You can clearly see the storm track as well to the north and west of the state. More convection last night over the breadbasket, moving north through Iowa and Missouri up toward Chicago this morning. Mostly 60s early in the day. Got a few spots in the 50s up in northeast Alabama. Gadsden 57, Birmingham at 68. We'll expect upper 80s today. Up on the watch warning map, flash flood problems for Iowa and some of the adjacent states out in the Corn Belt. And New Mexico with a red flag warning for a high wildfire danger. Severe storms again today from Texas up through the Great Plains and then east to near Chicago, Cleveland, Indianapolis, Detroit, Erie, and Pittsburgh. Day 2, tomorrow, a slight risk up over parts of New England and also again across the middle of the nation. Day 3, which is Thursday, a slight risk from Oklahoma City up to near Milwaukee and Green Bay, Grand Rapids. And on day 4, which is Friday, a risk of severe weather over parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. So, again, every day potential for severe convection out in the middle of the nation. And accordingly, that's where the heaviest rain is going to be. This is rain through Sunday morning at 7 o'clock. Big numbers for places like Kansas City, St. Louis, Chicago. Around here, not much at all, maybe a little bit as we start the weekend, but the showers should be pretty scattered Saturday, especially Saturday. Sunday, the rain might be a bit more widespread. Let's take a look here. Modeling. This is the GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 1 o'clock local time today at 500 millibars. Got an upper high that's over the Gulf, a flat ridge here across the deep south, big trough in the west, and down below that will be dry today with a high in the upper 80s. Very windy conditions out across the plains where, again, severe storms are likely. Same deal tomorrow. Deep surface low is on the Kansas-Colorado border. That could be a very active severe weather day in advance of that thing. And on Thursday, that surface low moves up toward the Dakotas. And again, we'll be dry, and it's conceivable Thursday or Friday there could be a blip on radar somewhere, but not worth mentioning in the forecast. There's Friday. Highs holding in the upper 80s. Every day, the GFS is printing 87, 88, or 89. All right, weekend fans, this is Saturday. Again, we got the upper high that's over Florida in the deep south. That's a 588 flat ridge, so be pretty warm. We got troughing well to the north and west. Moisture is increasing, so there could be a few widely spaced showers on Saturday, but certainly not a rainy day. But Sunday, as the front approaches and the heights come down, the scattered showers and storms should show an increase in coverage. So cloudy at times, scattered showers and storms on Sunday. And the same thing Monday as the front eases into northwest Alabama. Cold fronts can make it through here in early June. Of course, as we get into July and August, it's hard to get one through, but they can certainly do it this time of the year. And then Tuesday, we are into drier air. Not necessarily cooler, but the humidity should be a bit lower, and nights may be a bit cooler by the middle part of next week. And we note the mischief in the Bay of Campeche. We'll go up there a few more days. This is Friday, June 7th. And once again, the GFS is painting a tropical system in the Gulf. Saturday, June 8th. It's got the surface low south of Pensacola, with a big old mass of rain coming up into parts of Georgia. And on the 9th, the surface low that would represent some type of tropical system is near Auburn and Opelika, with the big range north and east of there. And as we, have discussed here many times, early season tropical systems typically don't become hurricanes. They're more big rain producers, and flooding is the main threat, if this happens at all. We don't know that, but the GFS has been very persistent in this idea for weeks, which gives it a little credibility. So just something to watch, but clearly most runs have Alabama on the dry side, on the west side. Check the end of the forecast, June 12th. Got a 588 ridge over the southern plains, a little troughing around here, and I would suggest pretty typical calm mid-June weather, if that's right. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock or so this afternoon. And if you can, watch ABC 3340 News on the live stream or the television side this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Hi, I'm Steve Sample with Bama Talk. Don't miss a single episode of Bama Talk Show, available now on iTunes, Stitcher, or your favorite podcast app, and on the web at bigbrainsmedia.com.